If you're a human being on Earth, you have probably heard of or experienced firsthand the biggest IT collapse in recent memory. This morning, the world awoke to find blue screens of death plaguing Windows computers across the globe, essentially rendering these computers to be useless. Despite being a Windows-only problem, the origin of the issue is actually from a faulty third-party update to a cybersecurity software that impacted solely Windows users. This faulty update has led to an astronomical global IT infrastructure collapse, impacting banks and telecommunication firms, causing planes to be grounded and flights cancelled, problems with rail services, hospital booking systems, supermarkets, stock exchanges, pretty much everything. The irony is that this faulty update originated from a company designed to protect its users from issues like these in the first place. So what does the company behind this collapse have to say for themselves? The chief executive of CrowdStrike has gone on record as saying that there is a defect in a single content update for Windows hosts. Or, translated from corporate speak into layman's terms, we push broken code to billions of users worldwide in a way that will tarnish our reputation permanently forever. So, what exactly was the defect? Well, the issue lies in CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor, a software intended to protect systems from cyber attacks. However, as you may have noticed, oftentimes applications with buggy code simply cause the application itself to crash. But in the case of the CrowdStrike error, the application actually operates inside of the computer at the lower kernel level. This means that if the software fails catastrophically, so too will the computer it operates in, as the program works inside of the actual operating system itself. What makes this issue particularly bad is that computers will have to be individually rebooted in safe mode, and the faulty drivers deleted manually, which is not something that can be done remotely. This means that every computer affected will have to have some poor IT professional individually resolving this issue, translating to what will surely be millions, if not billions, of working hours. So, if you see an IT professional today, buy them a coffee. Goes without saying, CrowdStrike failed miserably, resulting in catastrophic real-world implications. However, they are not the only ones to blame. It's important to also note that there are things that Windows, as well as the IT users that relied on Windows systems exclusively, could have done differently. In general, it's not a great idea to allow one company kernel access to billions of Windows machines worldwide in a way that could lead to such a catastrophic issue in the first place. Nor is it a great idea to rely on Windows machines exclusively for anything, with no backup system in place to circumvent this problem. It is also worth mentioning that CrowdStrike Falcon does not run in the kernel on Linux and Mac systems. Rather, it operates at the user space level, allowing these machines to avoid the kind of catastrophic system failures that can occur when software running in the kernel crashes. Once again, the world is being reminded that we shouldn't put all our digital eggs into one potentially faulty basket. Also, install Linux.